In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your favorite song as your iPhone ringtone. Normally, if you want to set a ringtone or change the ringtone, you go to settings, then you scroll, you click on sounds and haptics. Here you have ringtone, you click on ringtone, and these are the iPhone ringtones. If you don't like any of these ringtones, then iPhone or Apple gives you the option to buy ringtone from iTunes Store. Click here, you go to tones, and you can buy one of these. As you see, these are not free, and you probably don't like them. What I show you is how to download your favorite song from the internet and set it as your ringtone. So open your browser. I am using Safari. Search here your favorite song. For example, now it is Christmas time. Christmas song free download. For example, this one, let us try it. And then you can click on download here, or you can also click on download here. Then this asks you, do you want to download this file? Say download. Now it is downloaded. If you go to the files, go to the downloaders, here we see the file that we just downloaded. The song that you want to set as your ringtone should not be longer than 30 seconds. We can cut a specific section of a song using some online tools. Go back to your browser, open a new tab. Now type crop audio online. So MP3 cutter online and free. Click on it. This is how it looks like. So choose file again, and it comes automatically to the download. If it doesn't come automatically to downloads, you can navigate around and then select it downloaders and select it this. Now it uploads the file first, and then it gives you the option to select it a specific part of the audio. For example, we want to cut from this part to this part, 25 seconds. Final output is 25 seconds. The format is MP3. Beautiful. Now click on export. It is free and it is pretty fast. Now click on download. Here you also have a drop down menu options that you can send it to Google Drive or Dropbox, but we want to download it to our phone. And now it asks us whether you want to download it or not. Click on download. Now it is downloaded. Now go back to the files, and here you see the new one. So click on it. Now click on the share icon, and here you see use as ringtone. And if you don't see that, drag from bottom to top like this, and then you will see use as ringtone. Now use as ringtone. It automatically comes to the ringtone section in the settings, and we can verify this. Go back, and then on the volume, beautiful. This is how you can set any song or your favorite song as your ringtone on iPhone. That's it, guys. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. We have published many helpful, useful courses, tutorials, tips, tricks and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies and with your everyday life. So check out our channel and watch also our other videos. Take care and have beautiful times.